Trading Edge, folks. Today 18th October, Wednesday, and let's take a look at it, the market conditions and Teslas and a couple of other things. So before I start the video, folks, today was interesting feedback I got from one of the students. It is amazing. It's one of the successful story, and I love to share with our community, folks. Those who are part of the community, they should know this. What is the information I like to share here is the education is so much important, folks. Okay, and this is the real live feedback I got it when market was live, and it's recorded where one of the student who mentioned here. So I'm gonna spend 5 minutes here, and then we're gonna go to the market review analysis, and also we'll go through and take a look at Tesla. But here is the recorded, this video recorded today on folks, that's the 18th right here, 18th October. So it's recorded. All right, so you can go to, so this is what happened, one of the student mentioned while we were live, folks. Okay, so let me play.
Here is my story. Josh, I told you this year ago, but I will show you. Before meeting you and taking your classes, I was gambler on a Robinhood. Very few people will tell that I was a gambler on a public place. I'm really.
This is one of the student who posted on. He sent me message, and I'm sharing with you while live, and that was shocking, the news that he lost 400k. The good part is there's a bad story and good story. That's what we all need to learn. So listen, this what I'm saying.
People don't tell their wife also, folks, or their husband also, right? Look at somebody who's selling, trying to teach you, after 400,000.
Anyway, folks, let me cut it short. He lost 400k on a Robinhood. I mean, he's been trading 10 years, he said, but he lost almost 400k. And he, as the class program, I mean, right here, this is his story, folks. He mentioned me right here. This is the story. Here's my story. 400k loss. Your classes and guidance made me all the money back and more. So what happened is, folks, here, right here, he's the one who, he's very disciplined student. So we all need to learn from him, right? His feedback is important. Why? So everybody knows that he, try to print every day 10,000, 8,000, 5,000, 8,000, 10,000, right? Every day. Try to do that way. He's doing it, and this is how his success story he is now revealing. Many people know. Okay, so as you can see, he lost 400k, and he said, I recovered my 400k, and on top I made $250,000, and here is the proof. So this is the proof that he lost zero right here, and this is what he has made. You can see year to date, before he took my class, he said he lost, and now he made 607,000 right here, and today's gain is $20,000 to today profit, which that he always announce, and his many trades are, he always share with us, folks. So that he is one of the, look, his trades are 13,000. Several days he posts stuff, folks. We should be very proud of him. Anyway, so this is browser based, but anyway, point here is he's made that money, right? What I'm trying to explain you, folks, here is, here is the one, what he says it.
Loss, I can spend like it's made me all the money back and more this year, folks. Can you believe it? He got his money back, so he got his the profit is right here. He said, who will do? Nobody does that, folks. Nobody wants to go and share with others, right? He, with horrible story, turn into great story, right? And he's part of all the classes. The classes cost you nothing, folks, right? But look at how he reached here. But his dedication, folks, okay, his discipline. This is not a joke, folks. This is not a joke. This is dedication. He has a discipline now. Every class he goes with me. But so people think, oh man, $1,500 path to success class, $1,500 a month you get a 4 class. How much money you print? If I can print $10,000, I wouldn't mind giving $1,500. Getting my point? If I print $10,000 a day or $5,000, not even I'm talking about a month. If you print one month, it's far better to give a $1,500 somebody to learn and use it for the lifelong. And he is a smart decision maker, right? You see that he chose the decision to take the class and stay with it and learn properly. And this is what it means, right? This is not a screenshot of mine and posting somewhere and say, hey, look, my student did this. No, this is what he is right there. This is the organic feedback live. That's what I believe in. And I really appreciate folks, everybody who's coming forward and sharing the story, right? These are the only I share with the
All right, folks, I don't want to bore you much, but you can see what I'm trying to explain you here is very, very important, folks. Education is the right way. How can you, folks, I have so many students, they keep trying, they lost money, everybody blow up the account, I agree. But we don't want to keep doing what we have done it. What have you have done something differently? Like something different means, are you, gaining the ground? Are you, what I'm explaining you, he is taking all the classes and this is what he has reached. So when you see these, right, he's not giving his money to market maker. And this is what I see every day, every other day he posts his things, right? And you can see that. So point here we all need to learn is, folks, we have to stop giving money to market maker, folks. Stop gambling, stop playing earnings, stop playing all these, speculating, dollar cost average, God knows what not we do, right? We got to apply or avoid all the noise and learn out of it. This is the truth right in front of you, folks. Right, so please, folks, stop giving market makers money, educate, folks. All right, now let's take a look at the market conditions, folks. This is the community right here, folks. Those who are new here, join the community. But let's now take a look at the market conditions. It's already a little late for you. So right here, so whatever we said about the last market update video, folks, and look like we got rejection, lower low, right? 200-day moving average, as we can see right here, 50 SMA across the 200 SMA downwards. So that's bearishness. Cloud conditions are bearish. MACD is also curling down, and we look like what I said about that. We're gonna go and break the 200 SMA. Most likely, folks, we're gonna go lower low, folks. Remember, we're gonna break this low and we're gonna test this. Whatever I said when market was bullish now is happening. But all right, now we need to apply a couple of theses, folks. Here, Friday option expiry. Remember, Friday option expiry, all the bulls are like 1 2 3 4 days. Few days are like bulls are the bears are basically lining up 1 and 2 days probably. So let's see what happened tomorrow, but we are having sloping support right here. You see this 1 2 and these 3 sloping support has not been broken yet, folks. Okay, that sloping support is not broken, but we are still in that territory, folks. Eventually we're gonna break this, but right now market is sitting right at the sloping support area, folks, right here. So that sloping support breaks, then we could probably, but tomorrow, day after tomorrow is Friday option. So tomorrow is a Thursday. If market maker, we got to figure out their agenda here, folks. Okay, so they could be a 1 day bear and after probably afternoon and bounce and trap all the bears, and Friday expire somewhere here and all the bulls and bear both lose money, right? Something like that. So they could go a little lower and then bounce. Something something they could think of collecting the money, ringing the register, because this Friday is a month-end option expiry, folks. All right, so plan accordingly that, because there are a lot of monthly calls being purchased here, and puts been purchased. That could be one of the reason they could do any games. God knows, folks, what game they could play in terms of their accountability. But I'm just trying to apply the thesis technically. This is your sloping support right here. They could break, everybody become bearish, and then they take a U-turn and finished on little bit up here and close everybody. So Friday is different game. All right, that we're gonna learn in tomorrow part 2 success class Thursday night, and play Friday accordingly. All right, but Monday we will decide. Most likely the market conditions are horrible, folks. Right here, market conditions are horrible, as I said in last Sunday market video. Okay, that's what it looks like here. Now let's take a look at a little short-term frame. Sure, definitely. So this is your 30-minute chart, folks. So what do you see? Just 30-minute chart. You look like a M pattern forming, folks, right here. But this is the 2-3 weeks process, folks. Okay, right here. So let me explain you what is this process is. All right, so double top right here, as you can see, and this is your neckline, right? Let me bring back. You see this double top, this is your neckline, right? And market wants to test the support here, right here. This is your main support, this is your demand zone, and we could bounce. So if you bounce, folks, tomorrow, if market got a rejection at 433 right here, this is the smart money sitting here, 432.89 area. If market cannot break through and we got a rejection, we're gonna go lower. Okay, so this is your bull resistance right here around 433. If market try bull side, okay, if market goes down, sloping support breaks, we could go lower and then bounce. That's the game they could play. Any king game. Right now we are the demand zone, folks, right here for the M neckline. And then next week, whatever the game they want to play, that would be a bearish side. Because right now, if you take a look at it, MACD is oversold here, and we are sitting right there here. So I'm expecting a bounce. I'm expecting a small bounce for tomorrow if they could do it. Because we are sitting at the sloping support right here. You see this sloping support. If this breaks, we're gonna go lower, folks. Okay, total conditions are horrible. Okay, market conditions are not good. But for option expiry, the thesis what you apply, then they could bounce. Technicals are horrible, bearish. All right, but we are sitting at the small demand area right there. That's the M pattern neckline. So I'm expecting oversold, expecting a little bounce if they could do it, and then they could go lower. How they lay out the game, we're gonna watch tomorrow how the market lays out. Okay, that's what I see for the market condition, folks. Today Tesla earnings. Let's take a look at Tesla. Tesla. So folks, whatever I said about Tesla, as you can see, what Tesla was crossed here, which we mentioned right here. Tesla has crossed 50 SMA right here, folks. You can see right here 50 SMA has been crossed on 100, and Tesla looking weak. Why? Lower low, tops are falling, and I said Tesla going down and 240, and we're gonna go and heading to 212. That's what I said. We're gonna go and test the 200 SMA, right? So how do I know that, folks? You have to apply a supply demand class. Exactly that when market was here, I made the video and I said that too, and we are heading right here, and pretty much pre-market we are almost 230 right here, sloping support testing. All right, so this is a little process, folks. Okay, market Friday option expiry, and if I take a look at short term, all right, so market testing right now, look at the short term 30-minute charts. We already broke the neckline on M pattern, as you can see. Tesla M pattern, lower low, right? So this is your area. So market gonna go and test this, but that's a process, lengthy process, right? So all these bears are excited. If market tomorrow make a little bearish and then bounce, if they do it, we'll see, folks. Whatever, right now market conditions are horrible, folks. Okay, but there's a lot of puts being purchased or call being purchased, so see how it managed. But right now conditions are horrible. We are sitting right there on the bouncing from the sloping support, right? Look at that, look at the sloping support we have drawn this while back. That's where we bounced. Did you see that? Right there on 30 minutes. Okay, so anyway, these are short term, folks. Short term, a lot of puts are getting excited. Probably maybe they're gonna burn out all the calls. Already calls are burn out, and puts are also getting burn out. How you know that theta decay, and maybe they're gonna IVs crash, and based off of that probably. So we'll see tomorrow whatever it happens. But Thursday, Friday option expiry, market maker wants to rake the premium, and they're gonna play dirty game. So for tomorrow, path to success class, this will be the best thing to analyze tomorrow. After market close, we're gonna have an interesting twist on this chart. If it's something happening on Friday, man, we can print money, and they can see. Market maker loves to, you know, run when everybody is in opposite side, right? They can happen that, and the bounce. Tesla could bounce also, but that doesn't mean I'm not bullish on Tesla or anything, or bearish on Tesla. I'm just trying to laying out day by day. Okay, overall conditions, I already said the sloping support could break and could go lower. You have to do your due diligence, folks. Remember, this is my information which I'm sharing. You have to do your own homework, folks. Okay, so that's a Tesla update. Other than that, I don't see much on this one, folks. And if you want to join the community, folks, join please by Top Trading Edge on YouTube anytime, please. Every day morning 9:30 to 4 o'clock. Every day I am live Monday to Friday, folks. And join. I share my screens. I share my trades. All right. So see you tomorrow morning 9:30. Thanks. Sharing is caring, folks. Thanks. Bye.